Hello guys, welcome to another new Forex video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today after a long time we are going to do scalping trade. Here I will place a scalp trade in New Zealand dollar versus US dollar, where we can get good profit. You should watch the video till the end, you will learn a lot, because here I will cover all the trading points step by step which can help you in your trading. I place a trade quickly. Guys, we have to do everything very quickly here because we are doing scalping trade, where the stop loss and target points are hit within few minutes. Now let me explain you why I placed the buying trade here. The market is moving upwards here, creating a proper uptrend pattern where buying opportunity has been created. Here we will first create a trend channel, for which I am using Trendline. The market is moving upwards, taking support on this trend line. We will connect this trend line properly with all the points, because further analysis will be on this trend line basis. We will take another trend line which we will connect with same angle at higher high points. This trend line is acting as resistance. The market is following this uptrend channel perfectly, due to which we are seeing the market continuously moving upwards. Here we placed the trade when the market was near the trend line, so our entry was at the right time and right place. In this trade we can achieve high reward. Now we will create strong reversal level, for which I am using rectangle tool. The market has created multiple support resistance points at this level, where it has repeatedly reversed at the same level. The market first faced resistance at this level and later broke this level to form support, thus creating a resistance become support pattern here, which is a strong uptrend pattern. Here the market is moving in a strong uptrend. High probability chance that the market will go up from here. Here we have done the analysis according to the trend, due to which our chances of making profit increase significantly. Our analysis is complete. Now we place stop loss and target point. Here my stop loss will be 4 pip below the strong support resistance level and outside the trend channel. If it breaks below the trend channel, then we will plan for a selling trade. And the target point will be 8 pip above where the market has reversed before. This is a strong resistance level of the market. Here I am using risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2. Guys, here we are currently incurring a loss of around $700. If our analysis is correct, then we will definitely make a profit. Since the market always follows the trend channel, I place stop loss and target point. Guys, all our work is done. The market is now very close to the trend line. From here the market can take support so that we can capture good moves. Here we are using resistance become support strategy. The strategy works on every time frame. You can see its playlist on the channel, which will give you an idea of how we can generate profit with the same strategy. This is a profitable strategy with a win rate of 70% to 80%. See you guys after some time. If you like the video, then please like it.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn.
Beautiful move, guys. Here the market has given a very good move, which you can see clearly. This strategy of ours has worked perfectly. This is a high probability strategy. If you work on the same strategy, then you will get very good results. The market has moved up, forming a proper uptrend pattern. Here we now close all our trades. Guys, we are currently making a profit of over $2,700. We had $2,828 in our account, which has now grown to $5,325. We followed very simple price action, and the results you can see. Always keep your charts simple so that you can understand things easily. A profitable trader always waits for a good opportunity, just like a lion waits for its prey in the jungle. If you got to learn something from this video, then please like and subscribe the channel. See you guys in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.